Salutation to the God. Always happiness we can get from pure consciousness. Always happiness, always pleasure we can feel, we can realize according pure consciousness. And unhappiness, the sign of unhappiness is a death. Death is under mind feeling. Death is under mind feeling. Death is not out of mind feeling. Death is not out of mind feeling. The death of human being, the death of man and woman, that is within only mind feeling. Mind feeling, three branches. Three branches are of mind feeling. That is according Sanskrit, Tama, Raja, Sattva. Tama, Raja, Sattva, according Sanskrit word. Three types. Tama type, Raja type, Sattva type. These three are under mind feeling. So the death of the body, because physical body, physical world, that is according Sanskrit Tamarup. Tamarup. Tamarup, Rajarup, Sattvarup. The world means three stage of the world. Tamagun, Rajagun, Sattvagun. These three are from mind feeling. Mind feeling is imagination. Mind feeling is imagination. But there is no any imagination in pure consciousness, because God is pure consciousness actually. There is no death. There are no three branches within means in pure consciousness. Pure consciousness is only one. They are not more than one. According to Sanskrit, that is Advaita. Advaita means Advitiya. No next than one. No double than one. No peer. Peerless is Advaita according to Sanskrit. This is the summary of Gita. This is the summary of Vedas. Vedanta, according Vedanta philosophy. According Upanishad philosophy, topmost philosophy of the world. Topmost philosophy of the world. That presents Gita, Sri Ram Gita, Sri Krishna Gita, Avadut Gita, Brahma Gita, Dattatreya Gita, we can realize pure consciousness from the conclusion of most top spiritual books, supreme scriptures. So, according to that, death is concerning of physical body, physical world. Death, no concern of death in the realization of pure consciousness. Pure consciousness is our immortal fundamental nature. There is no death, there is no tension, there is no troubles, there is only happiness, there is only pleasure, full of pleasure. So, human being of the world always wants, always like pleasure, only pleasure. That is possible from only pure consciousness, but not from the world, but not from the mind feeling. Because mind feeling comes and goes, does not stay. Because that is a mind feeling, world, mind feeling, result of mind feeling, that is the world. What is death? What is trouble? What is tensions? All kinds of tensions within mind feeling. Mind feeling three types according to Sanskrit: Tamagun, Rajagun, Sattvagun. There we can get death, but within a pure consciousness, the name of God, there is no any troubles, tensions, death. There is only happiness. So we can realize always happiness, always pleasure, only from pure consciousness. So you belong to the God. You belong to the pure consciousness. It is true. Now, I expressing this, I presenting this from Nepal country, from Nepal, Bhairava city, Parasi city, Butol city, Palpatansen city, from Nepal country. And this presenting by President of Immortal Presence Center, according Nepali Akhanda Sukha Kendra. What the reality? What is the reality? What is the facts? This program presents to the world. So, the base of the expressing, that is from 3 points point of view. One, from top scriptures. Second, from the realization, and from the good example, like the line of the forest and a sheep, means a Nepali bheda. We are not sheep. We do not belong actually sheep. But by mistake, baby of lion of the forest thinks that I am sheep, I am bheda. By mistake. So, by mistake, we are feeling about the death, uh, feeling physical body, having the world, actually no concern with the world, where is death. Our concern is only with the pleasure. The pleasure is only we can get from pure consciousness. The permanent pleasure in the world, duplicate pleasure, artificial pleasure in the world that does not stay, comes and goes, comes and goes. The permanent pleasure, permanent happiness, always we can feel, we can realize only from pure consciousness. It is true. There is no doubt. So, now, means 2025, New Year, today 2nd, January 2nd, today Thursday, according Hinduism, Paus Shukla Paksha, today Tritiya, and the name of the day, Brihaspatibar, according Nepali, Vikram Samvat date 2081, Paus Maina, Bihibara. Now we are listening, telling about the reality of the death under mind feeling. Death is not out of mind feeling. Mind feeling. Mind feeling is the imagination upon pure consciousness. Upon pure consciousness, mind and mind feeling, they are imaginations. So, Tamagun, Rajagun, Saptagun, according mind feeling, the base, the fundamental of the mind feeling is pure consciousness, that is God. That is Pasupatinath, according Sanskrit, Pasupatinath. According Hindi language, Pasupatinath. According Nepali language, Pasupatinath. Pasupatinath, everything, because that is God. That is, according pure consciousness, there is only happiness. There is no trouble, there is no death, there is no culture of birth and death. There is immortality, immortal. There is immortal, mortal only old, death, physical body. So our concern with pure consciousness. I present in Hindi language and Nepali language. Even time is very few, short. अभिवादन परमात्मा को। मृत्यु है संसार में, मृत्यु है फिजिकल शरीर में, भौतिक शरीर में, भौतिक संसार में। शुद्ध चैतन्य परमात्मा में मृत्यु नहीं है। शुद्ध चैतन्य परमात्मा जो हम लोगों का असली अमर स्वरूप है, यहाँ मृत्यु नहीं है। कोई टेंशन नहीं है, कोई चिंता नहीं है, कोई दुख नहीं है, कोई डर भय नहीं है। आनंद ही आनंद। केवल आनंद पाने के लिए एकमात्र सूत्र है शुद्ध चैतन्य परब्रह्म परमात्मा, जो हम लोग सबका हृदय में रह रहा है। केवल हम लोग ने अनुभव करना है। यह है संसार का सर्वोच्च दर्शन, वेदांत दर्शन का कहना, सर्वोच्च दर्शन उपनिषद दर्शन का कहना, गीताओं का सार है, महाभारत, रामायण, महारामायण आदि का सार है। यही कह रहे हैं प्राचीन वेद व्यास, यही कह रहे हैं अर्वाचीन क्षितिश गुरुजू, यही कह रहे हैं भगवान श्री राम गीता में, यही कह रहे हैं भगवान श्री कृष्ण गीता में। अष्टावक्र गुरु ने कहते हैं अष्टावक्र गीता में, दत्तात्रेय जी कहते हैं दत्तात्रेय अवधूत गीता में यही बात। मृत्यु है मनोवृत्ति का रूप, मनोवृत्ति है कल्पना। एकोर्डिङ नेपाली अभिवादन सबैलाई। मृत्यु रहेको छ मनभित्र, मनले नै मानिस मरिराखेको छ, मनभित्रै मानिस मरिराखेको छ, मनभित्र। शुद्ध चैतन्य भित्र होइन, शुद्ध चैतन्यमा मन छैन, त्यस कारण मृत्यु छैन। मृत्यु त दृश्य हो, दृश्य सधैँ मिथ्या हुन्छ, द्रष्टा सत्य हो। दृश्य भित्र रहेका छन् मृत्यु आदि, द्रष्टामा दृश्य हुँदैन। त्यसकारणले द्रष्टामा दृश्य आदि मृत्यु हुँदैन। द्रष्टामा केवल शुद्ध चैतन्य परब्रह्म परमात्मा जो सबैको हृदयमा ज्वाजल्य रूपमा बलिरहेको छ, प्रकाशित भइरहेको छ, परमानन्द रूपले यसलाई अनुभव गरिरहनु हो गीताको सार। अहिले समय भएको छ, तिनी गरेर हरिओम तत्सत्।